So we've just finished questions 1 through 4, which were the forward direction. And now we're going to be looking at questions 5 through 7, which are the backward direction. So in questions 1 through 4, we were given the rate in mcg per minute, and we had to convert it to ml per hour. So now in the backwards direction, we're actually going to be starting with it in ml per hour, and we have to convert back to mcg per minute. Now, during the process for the forward direction, we had to multiply by 60. So during the process now for the backwards direction, we're going to be having to divide by 60. Okay, so let's actually look at question number 5. It says, the order is to infuse dobutamine 500 mg in 250 ml at a rate of 7 mLs per hour. Calculate the mg per hour and then calculate the mcg per minute. So we are given the rate in mLs per hour, and our final answer is going to be in mcg per minute. So I want to convert this from a liquid form to a powdered form, as well as change the time frame from per hour to per minute. So I'm going to set up a proportion with the 7 mLs per hour and the solution strength. And if I solve this, 7 times 500 divided by 250, then we get 14. And the units on this are milligrams per hour. Okay, so to get it into the final answer of mcg per minute, we need to do two things. The first thing I need to do is convert it. So converting from milligrams to micrograms, we're moving the decimal place 3 places, and this will be 14,000 micrograms per hour. Then I need to convert from hours to minutes, so I need to divide by 60. And 14,000 divided by 60, and then rounding to the nearest tenth, this will be 233.3 mcg per minute.